Hello everyone. Today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can print a web page from your Safari browser. So in order to print you need to open the web page you want to print. For example, I want to print this web page. So after selecting the web page, what you need to do is just tap this share button, and from here you need to scroll down a bit, and after that you will see this print option. You need to tap here once, and then you will be redirected to this screen. And from here, as you can see, there are 19 pages. So you can undo page if you tap here once, like this. This page won't be able to print. And also, as you can see, this printer option. Currently, there is no printer connected to my device. As you can see, there is no printer. But if you have a printer, your printer will pop up here. So, and after that, as you can see, these copies, you can create one copy of each 20 pages, or you can increase to two copies. And from here you can select the range. As you can see, you can print from page 1 to page 13, or you can select to page 3. So after that, you can select your page size. Currently by default it will be A4. You can change it to your own needs. And as you can see here, it says orientation. Right now it's in this position. You can change to this as well. And after selecting your desired pages you want to print, what you need to do is just tap the print button from the top right corner, and your printer will start doing its job. So yeah, that's how you print a page from web page. That's how you print a web page in Safari.